Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrick Novotny, and I'm going to be bringing you another how to fold a pocket square video. And if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe, and don't forget to check out my full playlist of pocket square folding videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the double winged puff. So the double winged puff, lay out your pocket squares. We're going to turn them onto their sides so they're like diamonds, and then fold each one in half so it's a triangle. And then we're going to overlap the yellow on top of the blue, like so, slightly off, not right on top of each other, but, and then we're going to fold the sides down to the middle, like so, make sure that, you got that yellow peeking through the middle, and then, there we go, tucking in the corners on each side to fit in your pocket. And if that looks like a vagina to you, then you've got it right.